I'm back. So we're going to jump right into this, and we are going to dice an onion. So see, you have an onion, let's slice it in half. We are going to leave the hairy butt. Yes, I said hairy butt on the onion. Slice it in half. Now we're just going to peel the onion paper off. So the extra brown bits, do one initial slice. That's just going to help us get the brown paper off the onion. Now here you only want to take off the first 2 or maybe 3 layers, depending on the size of the onion and the quality. So once you have all the onion paper off, you are going to slice horizontally into the onion like so. At least once, depending on the size of the onion, maybe twice. Be careful with your fingers. Then you are going to slice vertically, turning the onion 90 degrees and slicing every few centimeters, as you can see here. Then turn it back and start slicing. Here you have a small diced onion. Simple like that. You don't need to go fast. You don't need to act like Gordon Ramsay or anybody else. Just do it at your own pace. Make sure that when you're done, you have all your fingers left. So there you go. That's how you dice an onion. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.